larger than today's wolves, with bone-crushing jaws and a fearsome presence. These legendary creatures once dominated the ancient world over 10,000 years ago. But now, thanks to groundbreaking advances in genetic engineering, scientists have actually brought them back. This is the jaw-dropping story of how the dire wolf returned. A real scientific breakthrough that blurs the line between past and present. In this video, we'll dive into how de-extinction made it possible, the fascinating tech behind it, and what it could mean for ecosystems around the world. If you're into science, history, or just love wild animals, hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss this. Before we bring them back, let's get to know the dire wolf. This wasn't your average wolf. It was a massive, prehistoric predator. Roaming North America from about 250,000 to 10,000 years ago, dire wolves could weigh up to 150 pounds and hunted in fierce packs. Thanks to fossil finds like those at the La Brea tar pits, we know they were built for power. Broader skulls than today's grey wolves and teeth designed to crush bone. They hunted enormous prey, including mammoths, until the Ice Age ended and they disappeared. But their story didn't end there. Their DNA was preserved in ancient bones, just waiting for science to catch up, wondering if we could actually bring them back. How do you bring an extinct animal back to life? It all starts with DNA. A team of scientists at Colossal Biosciences studied ancient dire wolf fossils and by 2020 managed to sequence their genome using cutting-edge technology. It wasn't easy. They took on the challenge of extracting and sequencing ancient DNA from dire wolf fossils. Then, using CRISPR technology, they edited the genes of modern grey wolves to incorporate traits from the long-extinct creatures. This groundbreaking work led to the creation of 3 dire wolf pups named Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi. Bringing dire wolves back to life is exciting, but not everyone is on board. Some worry that genetic engineering is crossing a line. What if escaped dire wolves disrupt our current ecosystems? After all, they were built to hunt prey that's long extinct. Could they start overhunting deer or clash with grey wolves? On the other hand, some believe it's our responsibility to undo extinction and heal the planet's past mistakes. The Montana pack is doing fine for now, but the world is watching closely. What do you think? Should we keep pushing forward with de-extinction? Share your thoughts. This debate is global. What's next for dire wolves? Scientists have big plans, more packs, and possibly even new habitats around the globe. And why stop with just wolves? Mammoths, saber-toothed cats. De-extinction technology could bring them all back too. Picture a real-life Pleistocene park, but we have to be careful. Science needs to carefully consider the risks. The return of the dire wolf shows that it's possible. If you could bring back any extinct animal, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And that's how scientists brought the dire wolf back to life. A journey of DNA, bold choices, and the revival of a legend. From ancient fossils to thriving in modern forests, de-extinction is no longer just a dream. If you enjoyed this, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exciting science stories. Share it with your friends, and let's get the conversation going. What extinct animal would you love to see return? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you next time.